Momoa is an American actor. As only child, Momoa was born on August 1, 1979 in Honolulu, Hawaii to Coni, a photographer, and Joseph Momoa, a painter. His father is Native Hawaiian, while his mother is of German, Irish and Pawnee ancestry. Shortly after his birth, his parents divorced and he and his mother moved to Norwalk, Iowa, where he was raised. He graduated from Norwalk High School where he was part of the soccer team alongside Brandon Routh. While in his teens, Momoa became a rock climber and boulderer when his mother took him to Custer State Park where lies Sylvan Lake and the Needles of South Dakota. In January 2022, it was announced that Momoa joined the cast of the 10th Fast and Furious film titled Fast X as the main villain, Dante Reyes, the son of Hernan Reyes. In February 2020, Momoa appeared in a halftime commercial for Rocket Mortgage for Super Bowl LIV. He also appeared in the teaser for Scary Little Green Men by Ozzy Osbourne from his album Ordinary Man. Momoa met his first fiancée, actress Simone Jade McKinnon, on the set of Baywatch in 1999. They were together for 6 years and became engaged in 2004. McKinnon and Momoa called off their engagement after Momoa began a relationship with actress Lisa Bonet in 2005. In February 2019, Momoa was cast as Duncan Idaho in the Denis Villeneuve film Dune. In July 2018, Momoa was cast for Apple's post-apocalyptic drama series C. Between 2016 and 2018, Momoa portrayed Declan Harp in all 3 seasons of the Canadian historical drama television series Frontier and was an executive producer on the show. The series chronicles the North American fur trade in late 1700s Canada and follows Declan Harp, a part Irish, part Crew outlaw who is campaigning to breach the Hudson's Bay Company's monopoly on the fur trade in Canada, which has become corrupt and engages in illegal activities to enrich itself. In August 2014, Momoa portrayed Connor in the Canadian horror action film Wolves and starred in the sci-fi horror movie Debug. It was written and directed by Momoa's former Stargate Atlantis co-star British-born Canadian actor David Hewlett. In March 2014, Momoa joined the dark comedy or thriller indie Sugar Mountain alongside Carrie Elwes and Halle Webb. Its principal photography was done in Alaska. In 2004, Momoa appeared in the film Johnson Family Vacation. From 2005 to 2009, Momoa appeared as Ronan in Stargate Atlantis, for which he learned martial arts. At 19 years old, while living and working in Honolulu, Momoa decided to audition for the television series Baywatch Hawaii, in which he was cast as Jason Lowen. He was in the main cast on the 2004-5 Fox drama North Shore as Frankie.